oscillation between two crests is what we call the wavelength. Alright? So between this and this is the wavelength. Understood? Now, when we also talk about the x component, the x component is the horizontal displacement of the wave ranging from the origin to other part as the wave progresses through. Okay? Now, from here to here is the horizontal displacement of the wave, and from here to here is the vertical maximum displacement of the wave, right? And this is what we call the trough, right? And this is what we call the what? The crest, or this here are the crest. So this is a diagram illustrating a progressive wave. Now, we are going to start deriving equations, okay? And we're trying to show the relationship between the speed of the wave, the frequency of the wave, and the amplitude of the wave, okay? No, the frequency of the wave, the wavelength of the wave, and the speed of the wave. So we're going to derive an equation that shows the relationship between these three identities, okay? Starting from the definition of velocity, we know that velocity is what? Distance, right? Over time, right? And the distance covered successfully is what we call the wavelength, right? Over time. And this time is in capital letter. So V equals to what? Over time. Any confusion? So we are going to furtherly continue. And now, since this equals to this is what we call equation 1. Equation 2 is making the lambda, which is the wavelength, the subject of the formula of equation 1. So making it the sort of formula, you cross multiply, and it's giving you V, the T, and this is your equation 2. Alright? I get it what I'm saying. Now, remember that frequency F equals to 1 over T, right? So now, in equation 1, we know that V equals to over T, right? So we can further express this equation as V equals to 1 dot T and 1 over T dot wavelength. Now, when all these things equal to frequency, we say put F equals to 1 over T in the system. So, having that, we have that V equals to what? And this is the equation 3. This is a very, very important equation in wave, ranging from this to this and down to this. This is very, very important.